Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to talk about gauge options for your 73 through 87 square body truck and Suburban. This is going to fit up until 1991 in the Suburban, so just keep that in mind when ordering. Now let's take a look at what we've got on the table in front of us. This is our Performance 2 Black fitted in our ABS panel. This panel bolts right up to the factory dash as you see here. This is our M102 series of gauges. This just launched, retro throwback vibes, and it just won Best New Product at Good Guys. So if you guys want great gauge options, New Vintage has a bunch of options for the square body truck. Now let's talk a little bit more about New Vintage gauges in general. All 73 through 87 kits are designed to fit in a factory location, upgrading the style and function of your dash. Available kits bolt right in and offer the flexibility to position the gauges the way you see fit for a perfect look. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge styles, mounting brackets, wiring harnesses, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination, from old school carbs to modern engines driven by OE and aftermarket PCMs. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be a kit that's right for you. Bold graphics and LED lighting make the gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design. The exciting styles make a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're looking for a retro vibe or something exciting and modern, we have something special for your ride. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on OE military and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push performance over the top. Wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive system that reduces wiring by 75% and also dramatically decreases installation error. By far the cleanest wiring available, even a novice builder can get professional results that look just as good from the back as they do from the front. But if you want to simplify things even further, we just introduced our brand new Snap Adapt. Simply take the factory harness, plug it into our adapter. A few wires later, you've got your kit installed. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.